your tendency showing आपको क्या आदत है और what exactly are you doing. When you're talking about propensities to consume, we'll be looking at two propensities. एक हम देखेंगे average propensity to consume. On an average, हमारी क्या tendency है to consume is what we'll be talking about. Next propensity that we'll talk is marginal propensity to consume. On a margin, what is our tendency of consuming? We'll talk about these two terms. एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम सिंपल इतना बताता है कि जो भी मेरी इनकम है उसमें से ऑन एन एवरेज हाउ मच एम आई स्पेंडिंग. सो हाउ एग्जैक्टली डू वी फाइंड एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम? इट इज बेसिकली सी बाय वाई. ये मुझे बताता क्या है? इफ आई से माई इनकम सॉरी if my income is 1000, if my consumption is 700, that basically means my average propensity is 700 by 1000, which gives me something like 0.7. How do I interpret this? I simply say, either I can say if I have 1 rupee ka income, I'm spending 70 paisa, or I can say that I have a tendency of spending 70% of my income. That is what average propensity to consume is telling. Do we have any questions so far? ठीक है, आता है कोई क्वेश्चन आप पूछना. When we are looking at average propensity to consume, there are certain, ऐसा करो पहले ऊपर चलते हैं. We have the schedule here. Can I find average propensity to consume at all levels? Pranay, do you think you can assist me with APC? Either Pranay or Raghav Arora. Any one of the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, do you think you can help me in filling this APC column? When we're looking at APC, we're simply talking about C by Y. So at all levels, I need C by Y. Someone to dictate.
Zero.
I'll start with not defined. It is
not defined, ma'am. Infinity. Zero cannot be denominator.
Raghav, what next?
Ma'am, then it will be 1.2.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1. Calculate.
Something like 0.9. This one looks like 0.9. Let me know if I'm going right.
Ma'am, 0.88. Ma'am, 0.86 approx.
Okay. Certain things to talk about here. One, I can have APC which is more than 1. APC can be equal to 1. Then it is also less than 1. Another thing, with my income rising, can we observe that the APC is falling? Why exactly is this happening? Because even though the consumption is increasing, consumption is not increasing at the pace of income. So your APC goes on falling. You can have certain numericals out of this, so be careful. Chalo, let's talk about certain things or maybe interpretations. Help me understand this. Can APC be 1? This can be a true-false question. When I'm saying can APC be 1, I'm basically asking, can C by Y be equal to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And how exactly will this happen? When will C by Y be 1?
When the consumption will be
Point.
equal to the income.
और इस point को हम क्या कह रहे हैं?
Break even point.
Thank you. So I can have a situation where APC can be 1, where I'm looking at C is equal to Y. This goes as my break even point. ठीक है. Next सोच के बताइए. Can APC be greater than 1?
Yes, ma'am.
This would mean C by Y is greater than 1. This would mean C is greater than 1. Sorry, C is greater than Y. When is this happening?
Ma'am, when the income is less than the consumption.
When my income is less than consumption, or when my consumption is more than income, or when I have big savings. Either of the three makes sense. Next, can APC be 0?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
Ma'am, because consumption can never be 0.
Because, ma'am,
No.
consumption can never be 0. Autonomous consumption.
Exactly. This can never happen. Why can't this happen? Because I always have autonomous consumption. Similarly, by this logic, if you see, APC can also not be, cannot be less than 0 also. मतलब अगर मैं C by Y करती हूँ, C by Y cannot be less than 0 because my consumption cannot be less than 0. There can be too many true false or logic based questions coming out of this. How
Ma'am, but
exactly?
we saw
Hmm?
in the table earlier, we saw that the values were less than 0.82 something, 0.89. We saw that.
0.89 is less than 0?
Sorry. No.
Hanji. Less than 0 would imply negative. Negative cannot
Yeah, sorry.
happen. Hanji. Okay. All right. What exactly was I saying? You can have certain questions like these as true, false, or logic based questions or reason based questions. How exactly can you go about them? No, there's no point ratifying these things. So whenever you have a question about, say, can APC be greater than 1, might as well open the APC into C by Y, cross multiply करके देखो और फिर बताओ whether that can happen or not happen, and then you give your reason. Better than ratification. All right, we move forward. This should be, all right, take a moment and read this. If you see there's any question, please feel free to ask. I'll scroll further. पहले ये पढ़ लो.
Done, ma'am. I actually feel कि APC की full form average proportion of consumption हो जाता, वो better रहता.
Better than that cannot be applied for MPC because there you're not looking at marginal proportion. Fine. If you go formula wise, then maybe proportion makes sense. If you go concept wise, propensity makes sense. Don't say. Please read the third, fourth, and fifth point.
Done, ma'am.
All right, you can have several true false coming out of this. So please be, if your basics are okay, if you know about what exactly is the nature of consumption and income, etc., then you can handle those true and false. So do not fall into trap of ratifying things here because there can be so many questions and you cannot possibly learn everything. All right, moving to the next aspect, that is marginal propensity to consume. Marginal मतलब आप एक एडिशन होने पे आप कितना कंज्यूम कर रहे हो. So when we talk about marginal propensity to consume, second, let me see if I have, okay, I have something like this. This goes as my marginal propensity to consume. What is my change in consumption with the change in income? So if I say that my income is 100 and out of this 100 I was consuming 80. This goes as my first level. If I say my income rises from 100 to 200 now, मेरा consumption 80 से maybe से 160 हो गया. This basically shows कि additional 100 जो मैंने earn किया है, my change in income here will be 100. Now, how can I use my change in income? Either I can increase my savings or I can increase my consumption. कितना portion of my changed income मैंने consumption पे spend किया है, that is what marginal propensity to consume tells. So if you see my change in consumption is 80, my change in income is 100, which gives me 0.8. In other words, it tells me कि अगर मेरी income 1 रुपये से बढ़ती है, उसमें से मैं 80 पैसा spend करती हूँ, बाकी 20 पैसा मैं save कर रही हूँ. Or if I change the terms, then I can simply say that I'm spending 80% of my additional income. Did it make sense so far? Or do you want me to repeat something?
Ma'am, can we take that assumption that if we are increasing the income, then consumption is increasing by a constant? So if we take a case when the consumption is second case is more than the income, then what will happen?
Wait a second, what? Sorry?
No, ma'am. I was just asking कि अगर जो second case है हमारा जहाँ पे income is equal to 200 है, suppose हम constant ले लेते हैं इसमें 150, तो 230 आ गया. मैम अब केस में कैसे होगा marginal propensity to consume?
Shivam, this cannot happen. I'll tell you why. When I'm talking about marginal propensity to consume, I'm just interested to know how am I spending my increased income. जब मेरा change in income 100 है, I cannot spend more than change in income out of my income. You can have this 230 only if you spend the entire 100 and you also rely on past saving. Past saving is not using your past saving again here is not a part of marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity क्या बता रहा है? आपकी जो income बढ़ रही है उसमें से आप कितना consume कर रहे हो. So the maximum that you can consume here will be say 180. इससे ऊपर नहीं जा सकते हो by using your changed income. If you increase your consumption beyond 180, then that is not just out of your changed income, you're also referring to some borrowings or something else. That is not a part of MPC that we study. Did it make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else who has a similar doubt and wants me to talk about this? This basically, what exactly was this discussion about? अगर मेरी income 100 से बढ़ रही है, I have two options now. The maximum increase in consumption I can give will again be 100 only. क्योंकि जब आप MPC पढ़ रहे हो, you're simply studying change in consumption due to change in income. तो अगर income 100 से change हो रही है, consumption भी maximum 100 से ही change हो सकती है, cannot be more than that. Similarly, what is the minimum increase in consumption that I can have? Income 100 से बढ़ गई, minimum change in consumption कितना ऑफर कर सकती हूँ मैं? Imagine for rich households, किसी की income 100 करोड़ है, so he is spending something, उसकी income 100 rupees और से बढ़ गई, वो अपना consumption कितने से बढ़ाएगा? कितना desperately वो wait कर रहा था उस 100 के लिए?
0.
Exactly. He may not increase the consumption at all. So when my change in consumption is 100, what is the value of MPC here?
0.
My increase in consumption is 100. My increase in income is 100. Substitute in the formula.
Okay.
What is the MPC here?
1.
Thank you. MPC comes out to be 1 here. And in the other case, here, MPC कितना है?
In this case, it is 0.
In this case, it is 0. So the maximum value that your MPC can take is 1. That basically means जितना भी मैंने earn किया है additionally, मैंने सारा spend कर दिया. The minimum value that MPC can take is 0. जितना भी मैंने additional earn किया है, I have spent nothing out of it. Now when we were talking about, अच्छा हमारे model में we have assumed MPC to be constant. That is why I told you to take a constant of autonomous and go on increasing it with the constant. Why did we take it to be a constant? Again, to simplify the analysis. अगर वो constant नहीं भी होता है, analysis पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है आपका. So just to understand the model, we've taken it to be a constant. अगर आप इसको कहीं और apply करते हो and your MPC is not a constant, it will not really make a difference to your model. I was thinking of one more thing. अच्छा ठीक है. अब सोच के बताओ, जो rich countries होंगी, उनका MPC high होगा या low होगा?
Low.
Someone other than Shivam and Shashank to tell me why do they think it will be low? Someone to justify low here.
No, it would be the same reason why the minimum increase could be 0, because the people over there are so rich that even if they are getting something more, a change in income, that is, they would not exactly they might not want to change their income, and they could take it same.
Taken, you have high level of income, so you're already at a very high level of consumption. तो आपका income अगर बढ़ भी जाता है, there's nothing that you're waiting for, there's nothing that you're craving. So there are chances वो as it is आप उसको savings में डाल देते हो, you don't consume anything out of it. For poor countries, things are a little different. इनके लिए MPC कैसा है? I'm telling it to you, high है. Yatharth, could you please tell me why is MPC high in case of a poor country? Never mind. Tanmay, do we have an answer for this? Why will poor countries have high MPC?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji,
Because, ma'am, the consumption is more than the income.
their consumption is more than their income taken, and with their income levels increasing, they have a lot of unmet consumption needs. So they will have a tendency of spending a higher proportion of their increased income for their consumption purposes. All right. Having discussed that, I would want you people to read this. MPC will be used in the model time and again. So please be comfortable with this concept. Please read this and then I scroll further. If you have any questions, feel free to approach.
Done.
Last 2 points and then we're done for the day also. Please read these and then we finish.
Done, ma'am.
All right, that is it for the day. When we meet tomorrow, please just revise this entire portion and then we continue further. For now, I have posted your attendance question. Please go and mark your attendance.
Sure, ma'am. Good day.
You too.
भाई भाई फ्लीट है पक्का फ्लीट है 100
भाई स्विशी है स्विशी है राइडर भाई स्विशी है।
एक मिनट करते हैं, फैसला करते हैं, रुको।
दिया ना भाई लाइट गए, अगर किसी ने लपका दिया ना भाई लाइट गए में, बाय गॉड दुख होगा भाई।
ठीक ठाक स्विशी मर्डर कर दो।
मीनू सस, हाँ स्विशी देखा, मैं बोल रहा था ना एंड तक का स्विशी है, स्विशी था, मैं एंड तक बोला स्विशी है।
राइडर तू किधर था?
पकड़ लेंगे ये लोग।
टॉप पे ये पूछ कौन रहा है? एक सेकंड, ये पूछ कौन रहा है?
मैं अरे मैंने अभी लाइट राइडर तू किधर था? ठीक करी मैंने अभी। सुन तुम दोनों में से राइडर और तुम दोनों में से।
ये क्या जस्टिफिकेशन है कि मैं नहीं हूं, तुम दोनों में से कोई है? तो मैं भी बोल रहा हूं मैं तुम दोनों में से कोई है।
अगर तू नहीं है तो स्विशी है, और स्विशी नहीं है तो राइडर है। अब मैं तो नहीं हूं, मैं लिख के दे रहा हूं भाई, मैं नहीं हूं।
भाई क्रॉन्टन है, क्योंकि ये हम दोनों पे कह रहा है कि तुम दोनों आपस में डिसाइड कर लो। हम क्या डिसाइड कर ले भाई?
फ्री कर दिया इसने।
नहीं
अरे मैं नहीं हूं भाई, मेरी बात
ये
सुन,
प्रूफ
मेरी
दिया
बात
है कि
सुन,
मैंने
मेरी बात
लाइट
सुन।
ठीक करी है।
देख सुन
Damn.
Akatsuchi did? I see. Well, thank you for coming.
Now, climb on, Lord Third. We'll go and join the...
Nor do I.
Give it up! He's not the...
I will stop you.
Now you're going to...
Good morning, everyone.
Will, is that it? Ha! Don't be so arrogant!
Now you're going to tell me that...
First question.